When you calculate in Python, you need to consider the order of operations. 2 plus 3 times 4. What is the result? 14 or 20? In this example, the multiplication has precedence over addition. Let me execute this code. What happened is that Python first calculated 3 times 4 and then added 2. If you want to change the order, you have to emphasize certain parts of this calculation. This is done with parentheses. The result is now different. Even if the numbers and operations are the same, by applying parentheses, you can change the order of the calculation. Of course, the same applies to subtracting and dividing. 20 minus 4 divided by 2 is 18. But if we first calculate 20 minus 4 and then divide by 2, we get a different result. The rules apply for any combination of operators. Let's do 2 minus 3 times 4 plus 5 divided by 7, and the result is some negative floating point number. But if we decorate this code with some parentheses, let's first subtract 3 from 2, multiply by 4 plus 5, and then divide by 7, and then we will get a different result. So the rule of precedence is first comes multiplication and division, and then addition and subtraction. And there is even an operator that takes precedence over all, and that's the power operator. What we've written here is that we do 3 to the power 2 and then multiply by 4, and the result is 36. So if I want to change the order, we will first multiply 4 by 3 and then to the power of 2, which results in 144. We will see more of the power operator in the next video. For now, I hope this helps you to determine the order of operations in Python.